Hey guys, welcome back to Help Screen, and this is how to download songs with your Chrome on a phone. So first, you could go to Soundstripe, or you could go for Pixabay. So guys, these two websites are free, so you can download any royalty-free music from these sites, and you could try other sites as well, but mostly I recommend these two websites. So for this video, we are going to explore pixabay.com. So from here, just simply select the Pixabay category at the top, and you could use the search bar over here to navigate to a specific music. And now if you scroll down, you should have a list of free music that you could play by selecting the play button on the left side of the screen, and you could just simply download it by selecting the download icon on the right side beside the three dot. And after that, it will be automatically downloaded into your phone. And after that, when you go to the file manager, from here, I'm gonna go for my files, and you should be able to see here downloads. And you should be able to see here the music that we just have downloaded from Pixabay, and just simply select a player. And after that, you should be able to download songs with Chrome on your phone. So guys, you could explore other sites as well, but I recommend these two sites and should be able to download it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.